Right, today we're going to bring a handrail. Now the handrail includes everything, including the bits. You are going to require your own drill. All right, make sure that you have enough power to drill through concrete. If you're going to place this on concrete, if it's wood, it's okay. So you get 3 poles, if you guys can see that. 2 of them are the actual base. They have the cover so you won't see the actual holes when we set them up here. And then you got the main rail itself. So if you have an entrance that does not have maybe a setup, you can set something like this up. Very simple. So we're going to set it up and see how it looks. Off the handrail, make sure you tighten up the center screws so they won't adjust and move, right? So that's necessary to do prior to setting up the whole thing. Make sure you tighten up and fasten up. Measure the actual center and make sure you tie the Allen wrench. With the Allen wrench is included in there. Once you set up the screw, make sure you tie this up and adjust it how you want, left or right, all right, depending on the rail that you set up. All right, here we have the rail. So we're able to drill it down, like I said, drill it down to the floor, cover it up, tidy these up, make sure you adjust them. Look how beautiful and elegant it looks on your entrance. This is perfect for anybody that has problems or doesn't have a holding area. And I actually set this up so when we open the door, we're able to grab onto the bar itself. Beautiful stainless. This is stainless steel. It looks like a fine, beautiful color, but they have different colors. And this is adjustable to any height, any steps. It could be 3 or 4 steps, but if you guys can see, it fits very well in my entrance. And after drilling the holes on the concrete, very simple, easy to use. So if you're looking for something for your home or your entrance or your business, and you got to go for certain regulations about holding rails, so it depends on the actual entrance size, this is perfect and elegant, very simple to drill down. It takes about 3 big strong bolts that you have to drill down. Once you do that, you can't even see it was drilled down completely. The cover actually covers it up very good, very beautiful, elegant. You can take anywhere and set it up. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.